North America continent. Number 1. Columbus discovered the North America in 1492 AD. Therefore, it is called as the continent of New World. Columbus from Italy. Number 2. Bering Strait separates North America from Russia. Number 3. 49° north latitude forms the boundary between two large countries, USA and Canada. Number 4. Great Lakes and St. Lawrence River serve as the dividing line between the United States of America and Canada. Number 5. Mount Mackenzie is the highest peak as well as active volcano of North America. It is a volcanic peak located 40 km northeast of Haggensburg, British Columbia, Canada. Height 2,461 meters. It is one of the volcanic peaks of the Rainbow Range. Number 6. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world in North America, Canada and USA covered. Number 7. Niagara Falls is located between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. It is comprises of 3 waterfalls: the Horse Falls, the American Falls, the Bridle. Number 8. Cuba, North American country known as the sugar bowl of the world. Cuba is the major producer of sugarcane. Number 9. Prairies grassland found in the North America. The temperate grassland in North America is called prairies. Maize is called corn here. It is also called corn belt. Number 10. The Rocky Mountain Range is located in North America. Its highest peak is Mount Elbert. Number 11. Mount Denali is located in North America, also known as Mount McKinley. Mount Denali, tallest mountain in the country of USA, height 6,190 meters. It is the highest peak in the Alaska mountain range and also located state of Alaska, USA. Number 12. Sioux Canal connects Lake Superior to Lake Huron. Number 13. In North America continent are the Appalachian ranges are located. Its expansion is in the eastern regions of USA and Canada. Its highest peak is Mount Mitchell, height 2,037 meters. Number 14. The Yucatan Channel separates Mexico and Cuba, connects the Gulf of Mexico with the Caribbean Sea. Number 15. Rio Grande River forms the border between America and Mexico. The Rio Grande River is the 5th longest river in North America and the 20th longest river in the world. Number 16. Athabasca Lake is located in Canada. It is famous for its reserves of uranium. Number 17. New York is located in Hudson River, headquarters of UN located in New York. Washington DC located along the Potomac River. The headquarters of the World Bank and International Monetary Fund is located. Number 18. Yellowstone National Park is located in America, the first national park of the world, established in 1872 in USA. The park is popular for its wildlife and its many urban features. Number 19. In North America continent is the Great Lakes region located on the border of US and Canada. A group of 5 lakes is located which is called the Great Lakes area. It includes Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario in order from west to east. Number 20. The Panama Canal connects the waters of the Gulf of Mexico and the Pacific Ocean and separates the North America from the South America, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Number 21. Greenland is the only part of the continent of North America that is out in the sea. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Denmark has a political rights over Greenland. Number 22. Headquarters of World Bank is located in Washington DC.